Let's make squash enchiladas. Here's what you'll need. First, spray a 9x13 baking pan with non-stick cooking spray. Next, cut your squash in half and place it on a microwave-safe plate and place in the microwave for 10 minutes, or until soft. Meanwhile, shred your cheese. Next, dice a half an onion. Place your onions in a pan and sauté them until golden brown. When your squash is soft, peel it away from the skin and mash it into a bowl. After your squash is mashed, add your sautéed onions, chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, pepper, and salt. Roll up a quarter cup of the squash mixture into each tortilla and place in the baking pan. Top with your favorite salsa and low-fat cheese. Bake at 400 for 10 minutes.